Good day guys, Bing here. Today let's try to model this. Okay, so let's start. So first, create a project. And so this is floor plan. Let's place 3 reference plans, so RP. So 1, and maybe just copy it. Okay, so now we have 3 reference plan. And also I'm going to name them, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now let's maybe let's go to 3D view. So of course you won't be able to see the reference plan in 3D view, but so if we go create a, so we can go in place mass. So also it will be the same if we do it this way. So model in place and choose the mass category. And so if you use a reference line and draw on world plan and set world plan, so you can do this, click on this, or you can just go here and pick. So you can pick the reference plan. So because we named them, so you can find them here. So if you choose the reference plan, so you will see them in this 3D view. Okay, so now if I let's just place a reference line. Okay, so I'm not sure, so I just roughly do it like this. Okay, so this is one reference line, and then I'm going to place another one. So reference line again. This time I'll use reference plan 2. I'll just roughly do some lines like this. Okay, so now if we select these and select this one and create a form, so you will see you get this random shape. It's not what we sorry, here, so not, it doesn't look like this one. Okay, so let me just give it a material so we can see it. Okay, change it to shade SD. So now you will see it's not the shape we're looking for. So what we can do is, so if I'll just dissolve this. So if we split this, so for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'll just split. So I'll not sure roughly. Okay, so so this will give us 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe another one in the middle. So now if we select this one and create a form, so this is roughly similar, very similar to this. So now if you, so for example, if I let me just HH this form, so I'll see if I can just scale it. So RE, no, we can't do this. Maybe I'll see if I can scale the line. No, we can't do that. So that's fine. Maybe just manually. So roughly, if you adjust these points, and you can probably get similar shape of this. Okay, so for example, if you I'll see if I can HH, I can scale this. No, we can't. That's fine. But it looks like as long as we have the same number of lines, so we can achieve this. Okay, so of course this is too hard, so you manually place all these points and adjust them. So what I'm going to do is, let's have a look at this one. So roughly it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, roughly 19. So maybe let's make it 20. So we're going to create a adaptive family to automatically place this profile or reference line or profile. So okay, so let's do it. So I'll just cancel this one. So and then create a new family. So it will be generic model adaptive. Okay, so and then place 2 points. So 1, 2. So and make them adaptive points, and create a spline and make it reference line. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to, it will be a long, so we need points. So we need we need a divide path. Okay, so select this reference line, divide path, and then so how many do we need? 19 or 20? 20. So if I type in 20, so let me check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So maybe I'll win here 21. Okay, so this is a reference line with 21 nodes. And then we need to create place another point and draw on face on this reference line. Okay, and then place another point, draw on work plan, set work plan, and place on the horizontal work plan of this point and place it on the point. And then just drag this, let's just drag it down. Okay, so we need to copy them. So CC, and I'll just select this one and pick new host and place it here. So, and then we are going to select these two and create a spline and make it reference line. And now I'm going to drag this to this end and drag this to this end. So we have another reference line parallel to this one, and I'm going to just use divide path and type in. This time I'm going to type in, I'm not sure, maybe 20. So what I want to achieve is, so I want to have this node in the middle of this. Okay, so see, but currently it's not. So we probably need to select this divider path, and we need to adjust here. So begin, indent, I'm not quite sure about this. So we need to work out. Okay, so let's have a look of this length. So this is, hang on. Let me just tab, select this. It's 28. So maybe let's make it, let's make it 20 meter. Okay, so it's, maybe let's do this. So I'll just do a reporting parameter so we can tell the distance between them. So I'm going to select the reference plane. So not this one, this is divided path. Tab, so this is the reference line, and also select 1 and 2 adaptive points and HI. And then I'm going to set work plan, pick this reference plan, DI, and pick the adaptive point and adaptive point. So this is a dimension. So if I change the scale, so we can see the dimension here, and I'm going to just create a reporting parameter. for it, instance reporting, and OK. So now I'm going to just change this to make it roughly 20 meter. Okay, so 20, 20, 20, 20, yeah. Maybe we can just type in 20. So now we have 20 meter, and then HR, so we can see all these nodes. Now I know each one because we have 21, which means 20 of this segment. So each one will be 1 meter. Okay, and then so if I select this divided part, and if I type in 500 here, so you will see this one will sit in the middle of this. Okay, and this one will be the same if I type in 500. So now let's have a look, see if each, all sitting in the middle of those. So and then of course these 500, currently it's 500 because each one's one, and we just need to create a parameter so we can work, it will automatically work out where it need to be where it need to sit. So select this one. Let's create a I'll call it I don't know, X. Okay, so I'll call it X, and instance and OK and OK. So of course this one will be X as well, and X equals the overall, the reporting parameter divided by this number minus 1. Okay, so let's do it. So X equals, so reporting parameter minus bracket number. Oh, sorry, we don't have number. So let's go back to select this one, and I'll just let's call it a number, and instance, and OK, and OK. So of course this one, if you wanted to, you can just create another number. So this will be number 2. Okay, so number 2 equals number 2 equals number minus 1, and X equals reporting parameter minus so actually, sorry, so not minus, divided by number minus 1, which is number 2. So okay, let's just use number 2 and divide by 2. Okay, so which is 500. Good. So now if I change this one, so you will see the nodes on this reference plan will always sitting in the middle of the nodes on this reference plan. Okay. Okay. So now that's first step, and then the second step is we just need to draw some lines between these nodes. So okay, so let's do it. So reference, I think, model line. Okay, so it needs to be model line, and I'm going to use 3D snapping. I'll see if we can just draw on face. No, probably not. We need to 3D snapping. Yeah. Hang on. Let me rotate a little bit. Doesn't work. Oh, sorry. Draw on face. Okay. Yeah. So we can pick that. If I uncheck the 3D snapping, no. So we need to draw on face with 3D snapping. Okay, so let's start. It will start from this point. Yeah, because there is already points there. That's fine. So let's just to here. No, yeah, that's all right. And then just do. Oh, that's yeah. Just click OK for all of them. Okay, maybe I can use enter instead, so it's quite faster. Oops. Continue. Here, here, here. Okay, so finish. So now this is it. So this is an adaptive family with some lines, and okay, so and actually it's not perfect because oh, looks like these lines are continuous, but this one's not. Maybe you can, let's try this. I'll dissolve this one, and I'll see if I can select if is there one point. So there are two. Maybe I'll delete one. And is there one? Yep. Maybe we can just do this. Two. Yep. So now it's one continuous model lines. Okay. So yes, it's not perfect because if you can still change the number of this, but once you change, some of the line will be will just lose the node. So yeah, you probably need to manually adjust them. So I'll just go back to 21 and 20. So now let's load this into the project. So if I go to 3D view and if I pick the reference line 1, okay, so we can directly create a line like this. Okay, so of course it's hell, I think no, there's too many of them. So because we need a 20 all together, so this will make it 40. Sorry, let's just go back. I'm going to just change this to 11. Okay, so we just need half of them, and then I'll just delete part of these lines, so we don't need this many. So I'll just stop here, and I'll delete, and delete this part. Oops, not this part. Maybe this part. Yeah, almost. So I'll just drag this. So this one can go to pick your host and pick these nodes. See if we can pick it. No, maybe face. Yes, and then I'll just use this point because we have a point there. So I'll just connect this. So now we have one. Yep, all good. So and then we also need to create another. So this will be the offset. Okay, so I'll call it maybe offset. And okay, and okay. So when the offset equals a 0, it will become a set of a straight line. Okay, so now let's load this back to the model. Maybe, okay, sorry. So because we need to, looks like we should override the parameter as well. So, but it's okay. We can just change it here. So 11. Okay, so this is one of them, and then we can change the offset. If I type in 0, it becomes a straight line. So if I create another one, so CS, create similar, and this time I'm going to change it to 2. Okay, so this is reference plane 2, and it'll be shorter. Maybe I'll move it up a little bit, and also we need to have a little bit offset, so maybe 300. And now we need to rotate it. So when you look at this, it's almost parallel to this line, we need to rotate it by 90 degrees. So we need to go back to this family. So select this point, or not this one. So it's actually the one there here. So you will see this, the one with the rotation angle, and also another one here. So not the adaptive point, but the one we place this point on. So it's this one, I think. So Control Select. So now we have both this point and this point selected. So we can create an angular parameter. Let's call it a instance. Okay. So load this back and overwrite. So now if I select this, and then you should be able to see this angle. So let's type in 90. So now you will see it rotate. Oh, looks like one of the points is not it's not right. Let's go back. So I'll change this to 90. See what happens. Okay, so looks like this point is not properly, so it's probably not this one. So I'll just change this to none. Probably not this one. I'll H. So it looks like there's another one point here, so which is this one. And then I'll link this to A and OK. So yeah, all good. So load this back, override. So now this is perpendicular to this. So now we can create. Oops, sorry. Sorry, I was wrong. This is currently is in project. Okay, so we are not in mesh. So we need to create a mesh. So let's go into a mesh and then place them. So once again, I'll change to reference plans. I'll just draw one here. So let's just ignore these two. Okay, so just one and another one, reference plan 2. So this one will be shorter. So like this, but we need to add a little, add an angle and also offset. Okay, so maybe move it to here. So now we can select these two family and create a form. So if I give it a material, so you can and change it to shade, so you will be able to see it. Okay, and then if I'll copy this one. So Control C and paste. Where's my modifier? Here. Paste to align to same place, and then I'll just set world plan. How can I? Oh, maybe just pick new host. Okay, and then change this to reference plan 3. Oh, looks like we can't. We still need to place 2 points. That's fine. Just do it. So looks like maybe we need to drag this up a little bit. Okay, so now we have these two and create another one. So this is this one. And yeah, it looks like a little bit curved, but that's fine. So we will do it later, but for now, so let's just do another one. So we can just do another one. So CS, we can't do CS here, so that's fine. Go to create and component, and then set world plan to plan 2, and this time I'm going to just do a horizontal one. So start from this point and do it roughly like this. And the same, I'm going to give it a offset, maybe 300 as well. And also I want to rotate it by maybe not this direction. So you can do -90. Yeah, that's it. So, and also we need another one here. Okay, so let's do create component. So, and change the reference plane to reference plane 3 and start from here, finish roughly here. So now we can select this one and create a form. Okay, so, and let me just give them some material and okay. Okay, so okay, so yeah, basically you can just do all these, just like draw lines and then select 2 of them, and you can create a form. Okay, so create form from them. So now let's have a look, see if we can make it curved. Okay, so select edit family. So I think yeah, how do we do it? Okay, I think it's a yeah, it looks like a little bit harder than I expected, but of course there's a way to do it. So anyway, I think maybe I'll just leave it for next time. So if you're interested, so we can do it next time. But I think that's it for today. So basically, so just create a adaptive family so we can very easily create some shape. So basically just use this to draw the frame of this structure and then create all this form, the shape, the mass. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Actually, I just had a play and it's not very hard to make it curved. So, and also you can control it. So you can control, so this one, so for example, if I type in a big number, so it will become more curved, and if I type in 0, and it become a straight. Okay, so if you're interested about this, just let me know and I'll just do another or do another quick one. Okay, so but that's it for today. Okay, thank you. Bye.